At first, I was like, why am I here? This is not me. I don't deserve to be here. But it turned out to be a great thing while I was there. What's up?
Dr. Benny, let me ask you this. What did you think of Anthony when you first met him?
First, I was like, why am I here? Marka hore waxaan dhahay maxaan halkan u joogaa? This is not me. Aniga saan mihi, noocaan mihi. I don't deserve to be here. Muu qalmi inaan halkan joogo. But it turned out to be a great thing while I was there. Laakiin waxay kusoo baxday wax fiican intaan halkaas joogay. Turned out, waxay kusoo baxday. What did you think of Anthony when you first met him? Fikrad noocee ayaad ka haysatay Anthony markii ugu horreysay la kulantay?
Well, actually, Anthony was one of the model students. He was an ideal student. He tried hard to please me, all the other staff. He worked really hard at being a good kid.
Well, actually, Anthony was one of the model students. Hagaag, dhab ahaantii Anthony wuxuu ka mid ahaa ardayda lagu daydo. He was an ideal student. Wuxuu ahaa arday aad u fiican. Ideal waxay la macno tahay sida perfect oo kale. He tried hard to please me. Wuxuu si weyn iskugu dayay inuu iqanciyo all the other staff iyo shaqaalaha kale oo dhan. He worked really hard at being a good kid. Wuxuu si weyn ugu shaqeeyay sidii uu ku noqon lahaa cunug fiican.